Okay, guys. As you can see, wala pa rin masyadong ganun dito sa studio. Although meron tayong exorcist sa labas, meron siya, nakinis na siya ng kahawakan nila doon. Which was the picture of DJ Luis. He's trying to remove the bad spirit na naka DJ Luis. If you guys see paranormal activity, very similar, something was a taken possession of DJ Luis. Kaya niya nagawa yung promo of the teachers. In fairness, maraming very interested. Thank you very much, DJ Luis, for helping my career. Tinutulungan mo ako maging tunay na star. Tinutulungan mo umakyat ang aking career. At don't worry, parang makikita din tayo sa taas. Makikita din tayo dyan sa level mo, once again, just a friendly reminder for all of those of you who are interested in getting the t-shirts via tag Rapid Goodbye. Meron din po kami sinasalahan sa t-shirt na yan. And pag naiuwi niyo yung t-shirt na yan, automatically yan, isusunod ko bahay. Okay? Anyway, at hindi na susunod ng bahay, matatrack ko din ang inyong mga bank account. Kukunin ko lahat ng pera niyo. Anyway, after starting to number 3, today is Tokyo Hotel Top Back to number 5. Can I just say, kung babae yung lead singer nito, napakaganda niyang babae. Kung si DJ Luis na naging girl, very scary. Hindi na ako magsasabi pa ng kahit ano pa. Ako mag-heard naman sa ating pinis. Anyway, guys, automatic sa number 5. Welcome back to the Nikito! Okay. The representative birthday celebrants from Dara Park, also known as Dara of 21. Ano magawa ko ito? Ano ba rin invent ko yung sarili ko? Yung film name ko. Ano mo magandang name sa akin? Tiffany. Ang bacon na itsura ko. Tiffany. Not working. Okay, anyway, Dara, happy birthday to you. We're so proud of you. Na talagang, guys, sinasamba na naman ulit siya ng moving season. In the meantime, in light of this Korean fever that I have to Dara, ito na yung fever Super Junior, which means it's an autism universal. And it's time to read back to our messages from the Dean. Hi, DJ. I love your sense of humor talaga. Sana magtagal ka pa sa mix kasi dahil sa'yo, everyday ako nanonood ng mix. Wow! You're my favorite, Nadine. Thank you very much, Nadine. Sana magkita tayo sa mix mo. I know na akong plan! Guys! I have a plan for Christmas 2009 para gantay natin si DJ. Okay? But to find out what the plan is, you have to follow me on Twitter. Nikki Hill. Okay? Dana! Sabi Dana, kung gano'n yung kata. Hello, DJ Nikki. Ansano Kao Kawaii. Japanese. That's Japanese for, you're so pretty. Thank you very much. And I will leave Japan. Too. I really love Nick, especially the Nikki Hill show. You're so wonderful, sweet, and smart. I know. I'm just kidding. You inspire me. You're my role model, and I will never stop admiring you. God bless Dan. Please, sino mga tumiting alasa? Hindi mga magaganda yung puso. Hindi tumiting alasa, mga adik. Hindi lang mga adik, yung mga talagang pinapunay ko nilang buhay. Yung mga tumiting alasa yung but focus on people. They're people who have good heart and good soul. I think that's a reflection of me. Right? Nice. Sino mo ako? Binato ako ni DJ sa bato? Mabuti ko siya ng sinasay. For now, wait till Monday. Because Monday is my week-long retaliation against DJ. Okay? If you guys want to thank you very much, Nadine and Donna, for taking the time to sending your messages. If you guys want to get in touch with me, all you have to do is type in Mixme, please your message in your name, and send that to 2366 and follow me on Twitter for our plan for Mix 2009. Anyway, you're skinny by girls. Okay, please. I have spent weeks trying to figure this out. Okay, please sa akin ang G for your soul. Ano yun? And G for your truth. What does that mean? I mean, they're all very good-looking girls. And Cassie too. But someone please explain to me, what does that mean? I'm Genie for your love. Parang may ganun pa eh. I'm Genie for your touch. Okay, explain lang. Thank you. Anyway, ito na sila at number 3. Welcome back to the radio show. I don't like that. Kasi talaga mga bayaran kayo. Welcome back to the radio show. Sabi na sila, low profit, popular. Pero parang rin. Okay, anyway. Okay, I would like to clear an issue. According to DJ Luvias, wala daw originality. Dahil humingi daw ako ng advice kay Prati at kay Billy. That's not advice. I'm asking for fun. Hindi advice at hindi ideas ang hinihingi ko sa kanila. Kaya nga hinihingi ko sa kanila para magantihan natin ang bonggang-bonggang. Hindi rin sa walang originality. Ako lang naman yung idea of printing. Dahil sa pag-print ko ng mga balloons na merong goodbye, Luis. Ang inin mo, okay, anyway, Madonna fans are invited to the celebration of life event in bed. Malate on Friday, 10 p.m. I think Johnny's gonna be there. Johnny and Mike Mutia and Bobby. Okay, you may get complimentary entrance if you purchase Madonna celebration CD at the venue. Meanwhile, the party is over for Miley Cyrus actually suddenly sinks to the number 2 spot today. Ano po, kahit sexy na si Miley Cyrus at medyo nagmamastrip siya, I still love her. Hey, here's party music. Justin Bieber is putting the crown after trailing behind Miley Cyrus from Monday to Wednesday at one time at Hello, Justin Bieber with one time at number 1. If you guys want to get today's top 10 list, all you have to do is type in Mixtape Daily and send that to 2366. If you want to vote, Mixtape vote space title of the video and send that to 2366. If you want to get in touch with me, show me some love, show your support to me, or bash DJ Louise, I will be more than happy to read them out next week. Mixtape DJ, please space your message in your name and send that to 2366. Also follow me on Twitter, APL, or Monica Pauline Hill. Let's do something about that. Let's change it. Okay? But, Monica Pauline Hill. Mixed Philippines also is on Twitter. Mixed Philippines. This is operated by the Oracle. Na, sinasabotahe ako. Sinasabotahe ako ni Mixed Philippines. Bayaran, kanina. Wait! Pinakain niya na to. Pinakain si Chichi. Pinakain ng kangkong. Pinakain ka ng kangkong. Okay, Facebook, Mixed Philippines, become a fan of Nico Polino. And also, Pinoy Mix Countdown, Saturday at 9 p.m. Okay, guys, once again, for those of you who tuned in, at nag-wonder nyo, bakit wala masyadong ganap dito? It's because DJ Luis is not here. He's in a better place. Love you. No, he's in a better place. He is, we're taking the time to pray for him. Para gumana na ulit ang kanyang moral compass so that he may find the light, find the right way, at magbalik na siya. Ganda. Also, we have a week-long retaliation para sa mga talagang affected dito sa using DJ War, which will start on Monday. It's a week long. Ako may pakananon. Dahil meron akong napakain ng Caramel Sunday. Caramel Sunday lang